If your company is considering filling and finishing a sterile liquid pharmaceutical and blow-fill seal, then you'll be glad to know that it's never been easier to get more information in order to make the right decision. The next steps depend on your company's familiarity with BFS and manufacturing needs. If your company has pre-existing BFS lines but wants to upgrade them to take advantage of ApiJect technology, please contact us. Our team will meet with your teams to understand the equipment you have and your ambitions with BFS. If your company does not have a BFS line but wants to install one in your facility, we are happy to introduce you to BFS machine manufacturers and manufacturing line service providers. If your company wants to package your drug product in BFS but not install a line in your facility, our team is happy to introduce you to several contract manufacturers with deep experience in BFS. Blow-fill seal is an efficient, flexible, cost-effective way to fill and finish sterile liquids at any scale. And ApiJect technology can help unlock the sizable potential of BFS to better deliver your drug product to patients around the world.